As New York Fashion Week takes place, hundreds of designers come to the Big Apple in order to showcase their work. Join me as we look at one specific designer and her collections. Born in the Dominican Republic, Jeanette Limas spent most of her childhood creating pieces from household fabrics. In time, her family realized that she had a passion for fashion, and with that, Jeanette began her journey into the fashion industry. For Jeanette, it is not about creating a garment, it's about using the human body as a canvas, creating pieces that one can adopt as a second skin. She does this through a technique known as draping.
I do everything, always draping on my body. Like I always drape every single piece on my body first. And then I call the model and we do the fitting. The inspiration is always the body, it's always the way we have that silhouette, the waist, our hips. So if you see the dresses are always going around, they're always hugging you.
Throughout the night, 2 collections were presented. The first part of the presentation showcased an array of detailed black and white button-downs. The second was the official Fall 2017 collection, presented under the name Devotion, capturing the hard work and passion that comes with being a young designer.
As a young designer, you have to be devoted. It's hard to have a collection done, everything pattern making, cutting and everything. So the devotion for me was to keep everything on track. Keep loving what I love and keep going on. I keep doing this, knowing that it's hard,
As each design made its way down the runway, attendees realized that the collection doesn't just catch your eye, but in fact sculpts the beauty of the human body through clothing.
I thought it was really great. They looked very comfortable. The pieces were very elegant. I loved the green palette of the first set of dresses that came out, and they were really lovely and ready to wear.
I thought it was amazing, and really, I didn't know very much about the designer. The cuts were beautiful.
The collection was breathtaking. It was beautiful. It was like that good balance with like modernism and elegance, something that a woman can wear to feel comfortable in their skin. It was absolutely beautiful. I loved every piece, every model.
Speaking of models, the women who brought Jeanette's clothing to life felt the inspiration that comes from wearing each piece.
Casting was actually really unique because we all are going on castings throughout Fashion Week, but Jeanette is very personable, and that's something that I really appreciated from her because she treated us with respect. And a lot of the fast-paced world of fashion, that she is very genuine and sincere, and she cares about the woman's body, and even just how she designs the clothing.
I met her about a couple of weeks ago to do the fittings, and like she said, she was so sweet, so sincere.
I really appreciate she had a choreographer for the show because a lot of the time, that's an issue. It's so disorganized, people don't know how to walk or how to pose, and they actually ran through it a bunch of times for us, which I really, really appreciated.
With each design stitched from the imagination of Jeanette Limas, we witness the essence and beauty of the female body. This is Lizzie Dominguez for BronxNet.